Jose is an experienced technician working in LATAM's heavy equipment service department. John, like Jose, is an operator and does similar work in the United States, but they are employed by two different companies. Jose's supervisor can easily see where the parts required for a specific assembly job are in the warehouse, all grouped in containers, simple to identify and move. He can also see the parts that are sent for repairing and those new that are due to arrive. John's supervisor doesn't have an easy task. The results are not so reliable or precise. In Jose's company, the parts delivery task from the warehouse to each workshop and bay is not so troublesome. The technicians do not have to wait for a part at the moment of the assembly work. Besides, the forklift operators have the support of Q+ containers for tracking procedures which are shorter, direct, and efficient. In John's company, the reality is more confusing. They have to consult thousands of papers and search for the specific part needed for the task. Jose, his supervisor, the procurement and quality staff, the forklift operators, everyone has a clear view of how each repair is moving forward. In this way, the company does not experience delays due to errors or shortcomings, and their customers see the quality of the operation, thanks to the support of Q+. On the other side, everything is managed differently, at another speed and efficiency, as if the aim was precisely on another place. Q+, linked to your ERP with the focus on your workshop.